Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and I got an awesome watch face for you guys to check out, and it's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so you know how the story goes. Download ASAP because I do not know how long this watch face is going to be free. Now, listen, Jonathan, I think this one is for you, just maybe, and it's a 12 24-hour watch face. The name of it is called Fit Gear. I like this one. It is geared toward fitness. It gives you a nice big bold digital time. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look, design. You'll be able to see your info at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, you got a nice black background, which is going to help somewhat on your battery life, and you get the color red. Now, you cannot customize the color at all, so you'll probably need to tie this into a black and red, red and green, whatever color you want to tie this into, red and blue. It's going to be solely up to you, but considering that the watch face is free, this is definitely not a deal breaker. Now, you got a logo right at the top, which we could have dealt with out, but since it's free, it's going to be cool. Now, you're going to get your power information up at the top over the time. You're going to get a nice big bold digital time, which I like. You can see it very clearly. Down to the right, you're going to get your date, and you're also going to get the day of the week as well. You're going to get a PM stamp on the left side of the time. Now, you will get shortcuts like, of course, your music, which is important to me. So if you're on your run, you can play your music. Also over here, you'll be able to get into your weather, and the weather is important to me. You're going to be able to get into things like phone call. You can set your schedule. You can also go into your settings as well, and your S health is over here. So if you need to go more into, your step status and things like that, it's right here for the tapping. So I thought this was a good look for a casual watch face. I thought the developer definitely did a good job. And even down here at the bottom, you're going to be able to get floors climbed, calories burned, and also your heart rate information, step info, everything you need that's geared toward exercising is right up front. You need not have to go into the actual application if you don't need to. But overall, I thought it was a good look. Question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below because I would like to know your thoughts on this free watch face. Is it a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this video out on social media to help the channel out. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Enjoy the rest of your day.